Today we're going to put a new Google Floodlight camera, take down the existing Floodlight and put in the Google camera. We have Google cameras inside the house, but we're going to put a Google camera in to take care of the whole outside of this area today. It's a quickie fix. We're going to get rid of the Floodlight and we're going to do the Google Floodlight. We picked it up at Home Depot and it's going to talk to our phone. So if anyone drives in the driveway here, we can see it on our phone and we'll know who's here. And we can actually speak to them. There's a microphone on the camera that we can talk, yell, call the cops, do whatever we want to do. We're going to remove the existing Floodlight and install the new Nest camera Floodlight for security in our driveway here. Before we get started, we do not use aluminum ladders. We only use fiberglass ladders. If you do have aluminum ladder, it's not for electricity work because it conducts electricity and your ladder's into the ground and you're grounded. So that's why we use a good sturdy fiberglass ladder. And I've already killed the power. There's a sub panel in here and I've already killed the power to this light. So I'm not going to work it hot. I'm working it with no power on. And so here I go. Stick with me, folks. So now I got to get the brackets for the new camera. This is the old bracket. So I am going to ground the base of this. I'm going to line up. There's nothing here that says top or bottom on here. So, and this is the, before I put the cover on here, this is called a bell box, a 4.0 bell box. It's a weatherproof design for outside work. So let me get the ground wire up there. And this has a lot of slots in it. So I'm lining up the screw holes. Oops, excuse me. No problem. So they do supply this little green jumper with the box, with the camera. So, and it comes with a crimp-on connector. And then I'm just going to take a wire nut and ground it to my ground.
Ground to ground?
Ground to ground. Tuck all that in the back of the box. Tucking it all inside. Oh, that bolt is just to surface, guys.
Care. Booyah.
So now we're going to turn the power on. Lights are on. Today we did the Google camera upgrade. And the reason that we stuck with the Google, it's a little pricier than the Ring camera, but this house already has the Google Nest thermostat and some other Google cameras, so we decided to try the Google Floodlight camera, security camera for the parking lot here. We had an existing motion light that was already wired in that we took out and we upgraded to the Google. It's an easy upgrade and it ties into your phone very easily, and it can notify you when you're away that someone's entered your driveway, and it gives you a good range. I can see all the way over there to that side to where all the equipment's parked.
Alright, so you can hear me out here at the light.
Do I have to talk right to the microphone?
No, you pushed a button, I heard it come on.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, well I can hear you now.
Okay, I'm gonna call the cops and get your ass arrested.
Alright, it works.
So far, we're pretty happy with the installation. Thank you.